In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI images with Grok AI. We'll walk through the full flow from opening Grok to writing a clear prompt, generating your first image, and refining it with quick follow-ups. By the end, you'll know exactly what to type and what to expect, so you can go from idea to image in just a few moments. Start by opening your browser and going to the Grok website. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation where you can begin a conversation. Open a fresh workspace by starting a new chat, then select Chat. This is where you'll type instructions for the image you want. Think of the chat box as your creative brief. The clearer your request, the better the result. Click into the chat box and type your prompt. To generate an AI image, describe exactly what you want Grok to create. Include the subject, style, mood, lighting, and any standout details. For example, you might write, "Create a cinematic photo of a futuristic city at sunset." That one sentence already gives Grok a subject, a visual style, and a time of day. You can make it even stronger by adding specifics like dramatic rim lighting, wide-angle composition, neon reflections on wet streets, and high detail. Simple, direct language works best, and you don't need perfect grammar. Just be unambiguous. After you send your prompt, Grok will begin generating the image right away. You may see a short loading indicator. Sit tight and wait until the image appears in the chat. Generation time can vary based on complexity and traffic, so give it a moment. If nothing shows up after a bit, simply keep the tab open and avoid refreshing until the result loads. Once your image appears, you can enhance it with a follow-up prompt. Keep your instructions focused on what to change or emphasize. For example, you could say, add low-hanging fog and deepen the shadows, or make the sky more orange and increase contrast on the skyline. You can nudge composition, color, lighting, or stylistic choices without rewriting the entire prompt. Short, incremental refinements tend to produce the most controlled improvements. That's it. You've gone to Grok, opened a chat, written a precise prompt, waited for your image to appear, and then fine-tuned it with follow-up instructions. Try a few variations to explore different looks, and you'll quickly get a feel for how specific wording shapes your final result.